What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the first project pan update. So this is the first project pan update for this year 2022. I'm excited, but I'm not that happy with this update. So if you want to know what I'm doing in terms of project pan, keep on watching. Before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I create content around drugstore makeup, affordable skincare. So if anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and family. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so yeah, let's just get started. I have all my notes and all my products which were in my project pan, but it's not a very exciting update. I know it cannot be because this is the first update and this is a year-long project, so I'm not that worried about it. It's not like I was expecting to finish anything in first month, but yeah, let's just get started. So first is this primer. So this is the Mars Take a Glow primer. Now in terms of usage, I am constantly using it. Recently I bought the new Mars primer, but still I have reached out for this one and I love it. It's my favorite. So there's no point in showing you, but I have used it till here. Maybe we can say if I can squeeze everything, maybe I'm till here. So quite a decent progress for a new product in my collection. I use it like pretty religiously. It's my favorite primer, so yeah, I love it. And the next is this Inside foundation. Where is so so the thing is, like, all my foundation are looking little too deep, but this is a skin thing. I should have at least tried to use it, but I have not used it. So yeah, I'm till here and I want to use this up, but let's just see. Like, not a very and if I could have kept it like in this position, and in 2 days it would be settled to here, but I know it's here. Like right now there's no point. I hope you can see. Not a nice progress. I don't think so. I have used it. On the contrary, the second foundation, it was this Mars Blossom foundation, and I love the packaging so much that I have this in this packaging. So let me just show you, and quite a decent progress, and I've still not marked it, and I don't know why I keeps forgetting it. And so I am till here. It's again a new product, so I'm quite happy with the progress, and it's up till here. Yeah, up till maybe the Blossom one, slightly above that. So it's a quite a nice progress for something which is new, but this is the only foundation which suits me. So I have used this quite this month as well, and it has 35 mils, so which is a lot. Normally we get 30 ml, so compared to that, it has a little more product. So I hope this will be halfway gone, maybe in 2 months, I'm hoping. As this is the only foundation which is matching me, so that's that. Then we have the samples. Let me just talk about them. I don't know where I kept the Lakme one. So about this one, this is the BB cream that I have today, and yeah, it's a good match. And if I will see in my ring light, it's up till here, like halfway gone. Whoa, I'm so happy with the progress. So I'm expecting in 2 months also this will be in my empties, and I will not repurchase it. There are so many better BB creams. This matches me, but yeah, I don't want to recommend something which have one shade. So yeah, it's a nice product, but shade, only one shade. Okay, next is the Lakme sample. Oh my god, the day I was I wore that for a video, I regretted. I'm looking yellow. I'm looking so yellow. I'm not looking myself. Like, it's not it's like maybe 2 shades darker than me. So whew. Oh, and you know what, the sale counter lady was telling me, don't buy the shades little too deep, and I was like, no, I want the darker shade. I regret it. I should have listened to her and buy the lighter shade. I don't like it. So I have to buy a mixer. That is the only solution. If I want to use my darker foundation, I have to buy a white shade. That's the only solution. Okay, next is the Swiss Beauty concealer. Wow, I'm so happy. It is now maybe 80% gone, so it's still here. I have used this so many times, and I'm so happy that I have 2 of these. So yeah, once I will finish them, I will buy the lighter shade. I think that would be good for my under eyes. So yeah, this perfect matte. This is the 04 shade. It's not an old product, but I have completely used and abused this. I'm so happy with the progress of this one. So yeah, it's a happy update. I I don't know why I felt like there is not a decent progress, but now I'm seeing it's a good progress. So yeah, I have used this. I have this in my everyday stash, and I don't have time for everyday makeup, but when I'm filming, that is when I mainly use these products for filming, because I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, I just keep this when I'm getting ready for videos. I have this basket. Let me just show you. See, it's so cute and adorable. So I have this basket, and I keep all of my project pan in this basket, and it's, you can see. So yeah, and in this way I use them when I'm filming. Otherwise I'm not wearing makeup. Okay, next is this elf concealer. Again, a very, where is that? Okay, I should have kept it upside down. No, like in this position. I'm not able to see, but I can see a crack, and I'm hoping that this is still here. So I use this constantly. I reach out for this. This is a perfect match for me, and I use this just as a base also, like on my T-zone, and I will use the mist and I will just diffuse it everywhere. It is so good for dry skin, and it is a very new product in my stash. And yeah, I'm so happy with the progress of this one, and I love it. It's a very good concealer, and the price I have paid is only 300 something. So for that, amazing. Next is this Lakme powder, and oh my god, powders are not for me. Although this is so creamy, I just have to force myself to use a powder. So maybe I should use it. Okay, so this is a very good creamy sort of texture, so smooth to touch, but I need just the tiniest amount of powder, especially in winter, so there is no progress, and I'm like annoyed. This is in my project pan last year also, this year also. Where is the pan? I know I have repressed it because I accidentally dropped it, but still I think there is a lot of product in it because I don't set my face. So that's that. And then we have the Wet n Wild bronzer. Yeah, maybe because I was upset because I don't have visible pans. So where is that? Okay, so this is the bronzer. There is no pan, and I'm trying to pan this. The only good thing is there is a dip on the powder side, and now there is a slight test dip in camera. I hope you can see the dip for the powder one. There is a dip in a bronzer one, but the dip is not that deep. So today I also have this bronzer, and I hope one day there will be a pan on it. Maybe at the end of 2022 there will be a pan. I am just hoping, and I just want to see a physical pan also in my collection, so maybe that's why. And yeah, that's that. Then with the blush, where is that blush? I think I used it once or twice for my videos. I don't think so I have used it this much. And yeah, so this is the blush. So I hope you can see there is a little bit scratches on this side, so I use this side, not the pattern side. And maybe in after this, the whole year project pan, that's why this is in the whole year project pan. I love the formula, I love the color. It's very neutral pink, so I'm hoping one day there will be a pan on both the blush and bronzer. So next is this Wet n Wild highlighter, and you guys, I have a strong feeling maybe in 2 months. Where is that? So you can see this is the condition, and it looks like there is a dent in this section. Of course, I don't use the embossing side, and I am hoping in 2 months there will be a pan. And yeah, there will be a baby pan, I'm hoping, because I'm using this, and because of project pan it looks at least used, right? Before it was like sitting in my collection, and I used to use it, but not that much. Now I'm obsessed with it. It's such a pretty highlighter, especially for me, around my skin tone. You will love it. It's a very pretty highlighter. I love it. So I have used it, but not that much. So yeah, maybe once or twice. So yeah, I'm hoping in 2 months there will be a pan. Let's just see. And next is, okay, the My Glam Bronzer. So this is the My Glam Bronzer. I am not marking this on paper because it's a new product. I don't want to finish it. Okay, although this is a gimme product. I use it almost every time I do my makeup. So yeah, it's like a gimme product to me. I use it too much, and I love it too much. It's a very, very good product. I will highly recommend you. Today also I have this as usual, and yeah, maybe in 1 year this will be halfway gone. I don't know. With this one I'm using it every day, or not every day, when I'm filming. So yeah, let's just see. Next is this lip cream, and yeah, I was hoping that I have to take out the stopper of this one. Last year, because of project pan, I have used one lip cream, and because of Nykaa gifts, Nykaa have gifted me so many of these. So yeah, This is the one I'm trying to pan. It's always in my everyday stash, and I'm hoping next month we will take out the stopper. I'm just hoping. I don't know how much product is inside, I cannot see it, but I'm just hoping. Yeah, next is, okay, now we are about to dive into eyeshadow. So this is in my project pan last year also, this year also. Like, I thought there would be at least pan in this one. Oh my god. And trust me, this month I was like constantly reminding myself at least to use this shade. At least there can be a pan on this shade. Like, this is like a compact shade. I'm setting my lids with it. I'm constantly reminding myself that use this palette. And yeah, I'm not a very huge warm tone eyeshadow person. I bought this palette because there was so much hype around warm tones, and it's a very high quality palette, I must say. It used to smell like chocolate, but now it's not smelling like chocolate also. And yeah, that I have to use this. So yeah, I just love it. It's so pretty. It has pinks, it has greens, it has reds, and oh my god, it is so pretty. It has everything. Why don't I use this? So yeah, I think I should, it's a high time I should focus on this one, because it does not smells like chocolate, which is a bummer. I'm such a sucker for fragrance makeup. Like, if it has coffee, if it has chocolate fragrance, I love it. And I wish there would be a pan on this one. I love the quality. Is so high quality, you know, and that's why I want to use it. Not a happiest person. Okay, now the next palette is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air, and in 1 year I want to at least hit pan on all of them. And this month the shade I tried to use so many times was this one, because it's a mauvey lilac, yeah, and it's a lilac shade, and the yellow shade. And I tried to use this a lot, and there is a dip in the lilac one. There is a strong dip, and hoping that in maybe 2 months there will be at least a pan on the lilac one. I'm such a lilac mauve tone lover. I love those tones, and yeah, so that's why there should be a pan on at least the lilac shade, I'm hoping. So yeah, maybe that's why I was not happy with the update. But otherwise, in complexion category I'm doing good. In eyeshadow category I'm not at all doing good. Okay, next yeah, the Touch of Spice. Now we are moving on to the lip category. The Touch of Spice lipstick, I have tried to use it. Where is that? Okay, next is this lipstick, and for lips I think I'm doing decently good. So this is the Touch of Spice lipstick that I want to use up. It is so little, and I used it quite a lot of time, because I'm a mauve lover. I use almost warm, you know, lilacs and mauve tones on my eyes. So I have this today, and I must say maybe in 2 months I can use this, and this will be in my empty. I'm hoping so. I don't know will this be practical, but I use it a lot. So that's why I'm hoping, finger crossed. And the next is the Nykaa Naughty Nude lipstick. I don't think so. It's a pink nude, which is on the warmer side. I think I should have kept it for summers, not you know, right now. I'm more into mauves right now, and I have not used that, so there's no point in showing you, although I'm so low for the Nykaa Naughty Nude also, and I think I should use up that one also. Next is Miss Clear lip liner, and yeah, I have sharpened this one time. As I said, I'm not marking them. I'm just my main focus is on using them up. So that's why I'm not marking, because actually I want to use them up. So this is the lip liner. I have wore this so many times, and this is now this much. So maybe after you know, whole year project pan, maybe in the December 2022, this will be gone. I'm just hoping. I don't know how this will work out, but I'm constantly using this, and it's such a good lip liner, so close to my lip shade. I love it, and that's why if this will be gone, I will be really happy, because I love using stuff which I like, you know. So next is this brow product, and yeah, so about this, I'm so happy that I have a big pan. At least I have a physical pan in eyebrow product. So yeah, and the other two shades you can see the dip. I hope you can see the dip. So yeah, maybe after 6 months there will be pan on at least the brown shade. And yeah, I use the black also, so I use all the 3 shades. So I'm hoping that I can finish this up. I don't know when, but I'm hoping that I can finish this palette. I'm hoping so. Okay, last is this Nyb Setting Spray, and yeah, I love it. And it is, let me check, it is still here, the NY, so it's quite a good progress. It's here, so I love it. And I don't want to use this up, okay, now, because if I have to do one brand, Nyb, I only have one setting spray from them. So yeah, maybe if this will be more low, I will stop using them and maybe introduce some new setting spray. Okay, it's a very new product. I should not, empty it out. Now I'm thinking it like that. So that's that, and that's pretty much it for this project pan update. And I must say, in terms of in terms of complexion, I'm doing good. There will be empties maybe in 2 months, but in terms of eyeshadows and blushes, bronzer, I want to see a physical pan. That would be really good, at least a huge dip or something. So yeah, let's just see when that will happen. Maybe in 6 months, let's just see. I don't know. So yeah, let's wrap this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.